The ancient Romans used stale urine as mouthwash? What the heck? Isn't mouthwash supposed to disinfect your mouth, not R. Kelly it? This is the shocking truth. While today we think of urine as an unsavory, disgusting liquid, in ancient times many viewed it as a valuable commodity. See, urine contains a wide array of important minerals and chemicals, such as phosphorus and potassium, which are good for your teeth. The Romans believed that urine, both human and animal, would make their teeth whiter and keep them from decaying. So, they used it as a mouthwash and mixed it with pumice to make toothpaste. In fact, urine was so effective that it was used in toothpaste and mouthwashes up until the 1700s. The main ingredient in urine is ammonia, which acts as a powerful cleaning agent. Urine became so in demand that Romans even had to pay a tax. As far as the Romans were concerned, the best and therefore the most expensive urine on the market came from the country of Portugal. It was supposedly the strongest urine in the world, and thus the choice for whitening teeth. I mean, can you get better urine than Cristiano Ronaldo's? Though most people today would refuse the option of a urine-based toothpaste, it actually worked. I don't want to sound like your accountant, but I would recommend you quit buying toothpaste and just use your pee. I will. Why shouldn't you? How much more organic can it really get? This has been The Shocking Truth, brought to you by dherbs.com.